Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Ricoh MP 2014 or 2014D or 2014 printer driver in a Windows 11 PC or laptop. First of all, go to any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome and in a search type Ricoh MP 2040 printer driver and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the support.ricoh.com official website of our printer. Open the first link. Whatever first link is. Here we find the printer names. Scroll down. Here we find your operating system. Here we find Microsoft Windows 10 64-bit, Windows 10 and 64-bit. 64-bit is more MP. It's 110% work with our Windows 11. Don't worry about this. And if it's not select Windows 10 64-bit, then go to choose a other OS. Okay, in this case, it is selected. Scroll down and here we find our printer name or the printer driver. Click on this download. Click on the download and our download is started. It's complete in a few seconds. Go to the downloads. Show in downloads or show in folder, minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop, close it. Here we find our setup file and this setup file is actually zip file and we are going to unzip it. Right click on it, click on show more options, click on extract files, click on OK. New folder is created on desktop. Here we find new folder, double click on it, double click on this folder. And here we find our drivers and we are going to install these drivers. It is a very easy and simple process. Go to the start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. In a printer list, go to the top, add a printer or scanner and here we find the add a device. Click on add a device and wait for a few seconds. In a few seconds, new option is pop up. The printer that I want isn't listed. Click on add a new device manually. Close it. Here we find many options in add a printer. Go to the last option, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select last option. Click on the next. Here we find existing port. Existing port is the most IMP part in this installation. Click at here. And if you find any port named USB 001, USB 002, 003, 004, select COM1 or LPT1 or the USB. USB is the best. So I select USB 001 and click on the next. Have a disk. Click on a browse. Go to the desktop and here find our newly created folder. Double click on it. Double click on this folder, subfolder. And here we find one file. Select this file. This is an .inf file. This is only show the .inf file. Select any .inf file and click on the open and click on the OK. Now here we find our printer name 2014, 2014 AD or 2014 D. Depending on your printer, select your printer. This is my first printer, so I select my first printer MP 2014 and click on the next. You can give any name that you like. I go with the same name. You can give any name that you like. Click on the next. Wait for a few seconds. Here we find two options. If you want to share on the network to the other PC or laptops, then select last option with the network. I don't, so I select do not share this printer. Click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a printer test page or click on a finish. Next option is check our printer is properly working or not. Go to start. Type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanners, in a printer list, we find our printer name. That means our printer is properly installed and it's work 110% on our Windows 11 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.